In front of me is Motorola S50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Notifications. Then select App Notifications and tap on any blue switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. If you can't find your app, tap on Most Recent and choose one of those filters. You can also click on any app on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!